Welcome to the factory floor. Welcome to the factory floor.
Today, we make each flag with care.
First, the materials arrive.
Every roll is checked.
Then it is sorted by color.
Precision begins here.
The raw cloth is ready. Accuracy matters now. Patterns guide every step. The line is now prepared. Everything is in place.
Even the thread is tested. The bench is ready.
The design takes shape.
Every inch must match.
The line keeps moving.
Color must stay true.
The layout is complete. The process is ready. The first cut begins.
Safety comes first.
Preparation is complete.
The factory is alive.
The machine is calibrated. The path stays exact.
Each piece has its place.
Ready for assembly.
The line continues. The materials are ready. Every detail is visible. Now the fabric begins to join.
The system stays balanced.
Every seam is exact. The parts unite now.
At the USA Flag Factory, precision is key. This heated press smooths the fabric, guaranteeing a flawless finish every time.
The layout stays perfect.
The canton is next.
The stripes come together.
Detail defines the flag. USA Flag Factory.
The stars shine clearly.
Strength is built in.
Clean edges matter. The line keeps advancing.
Small adjustments matter.
The assembly stays seamless. Quality stays visible. The form is set. Factory name, USA Flag Factory. Ready for the final build. The process stays steady. Every detail is verified.
Precision in motion. The work is holding well.
The line moves forward.
The flag comes together.
Nothing is overlooked.
The seal is complete. USA Flag Factory.
The process stays smooth. The process stays smooth.
The core is finished.
Consistency stays strong.
The structure is ready.
The final shape appears. Machines handle it gently. The edges are locked in. Every star is crisp. Care begins at the fold.
The surface looks refined.
The textile feels real.
It is handled with care.
The line works as one.
The finish is clean. The product now shines. The lines stay true.
The last details matter.
The form is finalized.
Final verification happens here.
The final path begins. The factory runs smoothly. The finish is bright and clean.
Exact size is essential.
The product is now finished. The surface is perfected.
The core build is done.
The craftsmanship is clear.
The final product is ready.
Automation keeps pace.
The flow stays seamless.
The result looks complete.
The final stage begins.
Each package is marked.
The wrap is secure.
Everything stays in rhythm. The boxes come together.
The flag is protected.
The package is loaded here at the USA Flag Factory.
Branding stays sharp. The package is ready now.
The line keeps moving.
Every carton is verified.
The shipment path is clear.
The load is organized. The shipment is confirmed.
Everything is secured.
The packaging floor is active.
The staging is complete.
The care shows clearly. Packaging is complete.
The shipment queue is set.
Final packing checks matter.
The products are transport ready.
The product is ready to leave.
Every product is checked. USA Flag Factory.
The shipment is on the move.
The dock is in motion.
Quality stays first. USA Flag Factory. The shipment is complete. The distribution floor is busy. Approval is the final step.
Everything is staged perfectly.
The load is secure.
The final pallet is placed.
The day's work is nearly done.
The shipment is sealed.
The flags are on their way. The factory stands proud.
The workday comes to a close.
The shipment is finished. The floor is clear. The order is complete. The process is complete.
Thanks for watching.
Welcome to the factory, where every World Cup ball begins its journey.
It all starts with carefully selected raw materials.
Every sheet must pass strict quality checks before production begins. Precision sorting keeps the entire process perfectly aligned. Accuracy here determines the final shape of the ball. Each panel is cut with exact dimensions. Careful stacking preserves every perfect edge. The surface must be ready for a perfect finish. From here, the ball begins to take technical form.
The bonding materials are blended to exact consistency.
A precise coating helps the ball perform consistently.
Control drying locks in the preparation work.
Only panels that meet standards move forward.
Every step is coordinated like clockwork.
The production line moves with measured precision.
Perfect alignment creates a perfect ball.
Prepared materials wait for the next transformation.
Machine precision starts with careful calibration.
Now the materials are ready to become a football. The journey continues into the heart of production.
Automation keeps the process consistent and fast. Each piece is verified before the next step.
Nothing moves forward without approval.
The factory flow remains smooth and uninterrupted.
The process is guided by constant monitoring.
Now the factory machinery takes control.
Every route is designed for efficiency.
The factory prepares for the main build.
This is where the football begins to come alive.
Balanced mixing creates a stable foundation. Every batch must match the required formula.
Precision is managed from the control center.
The material stays in constant motion.
Nothing is left to chance in this flow. The process remains fully under control. The batch is checked before it shapes the ball. Pressure helps define the structure.
The blend is now ready to take shape. The factory keeps everything in motion.
Each setting is carefully tuned.
The structure begins here.
Consistent conditions protect the material. The process is now fully alive.
Everything moves in perfect sequence. Alignment is everything in precision manufacturing.
Uniform flow improves the final result. Only the best mix continues. Inside the chamber, the structure is refined.
Every measurement is watched carefully.
The transformation is about to begin. Now the ball begins to take shape.
Automation ensures clean, repeatable handling.
Conditioning prepares the ball for its form. The material is now ready to become a football. Every step narrows toward the final shape.
The numbers stay perfectly balanced.
This is where the World Cup ball becomes real. Strong pressure defines the ball's form. The ball's identity starts to appear.
Machines handle the shape with exact control. Symmetry is essential for performance.
Each layer must merge without flaw.
Every compression improves the final build. Heat helps lock in the structure. Even rotation means even quality. Perfect centering prepares the final details. Only flawless surfaces move ahead. Texture gives the ball its identity. Cooling settles the structure into place.
The ball is tested as it takes final form. The final details must be absolutely clean. The base shape is now complete.
Branding gives the ball its official identity. Every line must be perfectly placed. Protection is added after the design.
The final surface is now complete.
Every detail must stand up to scrutiny. The product is nearly ready for the world. Sensors verify what the eye can't miss.
A polished ball feels complete.
Every station contributes to the final result.
Now the ball is ready to be delivered.
The final surface is clean and complete.
Clean handling protects the finished product.
The final check confirms true consistency.
The football is now ready for its final presentation.
The process now moves towards shipment. Speed and precision define the packaging floor. Labels make every package traceable.
The box is built around the finished ball.
Every ball is packed with care.
The package is now secure.
The factory finish is clean and consistent.
Every station moves as one system.
The packaging now carries its identity. The line keeps moving without interruption.
Staging for shipping begins here.
A stable stack means safe delivery.
Protection is added for the journey ahead.
Every shipment is traceable from start to finish.
Nothing leaves until it passes inspection. The product is now headed for the world. The final waiting area is perfectly arranged.
Digital tracking keeps every shipment accurate.
The factory prepares for departure.
Efficient loading keeps distribution on schedule. Every load is secured with precision. The shipment is ready to roll.
The final schedule is locked in.
The scale of the operation is impressive.
Everything is ready to leave the factory.
The finished product begins its journey outward.
The supply chain stays in constant motion.
Documentation is as important as craftsmanship.
The finished product is on the move. The factory shines at the end of production.
The results confirm a successful production run.
And that is how an official World Cup ball is made.
Every step matters from start to finish.
From raw material to world-class football, everything is complete.
Thanks for watching this factory tour.
Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory stories.
Welcome inside the factory.
It all begins with the finest raw clay.
Every batch is carefully checked.
Precision starts at the very first stage.
Exact ratios create perfect results.
Every setting must be perfectly balanced.
Purity gives ceramic its strength.
Only the cleanest material moves forward.
Water transforms the clay into workable form. The process moves with purpose.
Nothing is rushed at this stage.
The factory prepares for shaping.
texture tells the story of quality.
The clay must feel exactly right.
Even the finest particles are refined. The blend becomes something new. Each ingredient supports the final form.
Control brings consistency. Everything begins in order.
The first stage is complete. Order defines the factory floor.
Quality control never pauses. This is where transformation begins.
The texture is now ready for shaping.
Flow must be controlled. The process becomes dynamic. Every detail supports precision.
The batch is officially ready.
Preparation gives way to production. Now the real work begins.
Balance creates beautiful ceramic.
The material travels under constant control. Uniformity defines the final quality.
Every ratio is watched closely.
Only refined material moves ahead.
Small adjustments make a big difference. The mixture must feel alive.
Transformation is almost complete. The material is now ready to take shape.
Every batch earns approval.
The numbers must be exact. Power and precision work together. Even heat must be controlled. The next stage waits below. Consistency is the goal. The factory runs like clockwork. Every step builds toward form. Smooth material makes smooth wear. The blend is finally complete.
Refinement is visible at every glance.
The material moves into form. Machines bring remarkable consistency. The atmosphere feels almost sculptural. Every motion has a purpose.
The batch passes every test.
Industrial beauty comes from motion. Nothing goes to waste.
This is the point of perfection.
Here, the clay finds its form.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
The design appears almost magically. Pressure gives the piece its strength. Gives the piece its strength. Each piece emerges with elegance. Shape and symmetry matter most. Automation protects every detail.
The surface already looks beautiful.
Precision is built into the mold.
The smallest edge can change everything.
Heat prepares the pieces for permanence.
Mass production can still be graceful.
Spacing matters for perfect drying.
Tiny corrections create flawless results.
The collection grows piece by piece. Nothing extra remains. Skill and automation move as one. The factory is building elegance. A perfect finish begins at the edge. Nothing leaves this stage unchecked. Drying locks in the form.
Controlled heat prepares the surface.
Efficiency can still be elegant.
Spacing ensures perfect firing.
The surface is ready for fire. Form becomes permanence. Every angle must dry equally. The fire stage is about to begin. Temperature shapes the final strength. The surface gains its final shine.
Now the ceramic becomes permanent.
Every box carries its identity.
Protection comes first.
Packaging begins with precision.
The line moves with calm efficiency. Delicate pieces deserve careful protection. The whole floor works as one.
Every package looks ready for display.
Prepared for the journey ahead.
A clean seal closes the package. Secure packaging keeps every set safe.
Care is built into every layer.
Automation keeps the output flawless.
Presentation matters before the first opening.
The package is locked and ready.
Everything is prepared for distribution.
Small protections prevent big damage.
Every box looks premium.
The factory floor keeps moving forward.
Final approval keeps standards high. Distribution begins at the dock.
Presentation remains flawless to the end.
The factory is nearly done.
The journey is almost complete. The shipment is ready to move. Order makes the final stage efficient. Every shipment has a destination.
The product is ready for the world.
Nothing leaves unverified.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Quality is visible in the smallest details. The shipment heads out with care. The factory sends beauty into the world.
The final seal is in place.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
The fleet stands ready. Scale gives the factory its power.
Approval confirms excellence.
Each pallet has a clear path.
The final load is in motion.
The product leaves in perfect condition.
Every shipment is tracked.
Safety and accuracy stay first.
The factory stands behind every beautiful piece. This is the last stop inside the factory.
Documentation protects quality.
The final load is on its way.
The work is complete for now. From raw clay to refined tableware, perfection is found in the finish. Every step has been completed.
The path is clear and organized.
The factory opens to the world.
From start to finish, every detail matters.
This is craftsmanship made visible.
And that's how beautiful ceramic tableware is made.
See you on the next factory tour. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to our Inside Manufacturing Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how million-dollar green chili products are made, step by step.
Fresh green chilies arrive daily from farms.
Only the best chilies pass inspection.
Precise weights ensure batch consistency.
High-pressure wash removes dirt and impurities.
Stems are removed for uniform processing.
Sensors detect perfect green hue. Human oversight guarantees quality.
Chilies are diced precisely for products.
Uniform sizes prevent processing issues.
Blanching locks in fresh color and flavor.
Rapid cooling preserves crispness.
Optimal moisture for safe processing.
Lab tests confirm purity.
Efficient transport keeps flow steady.
Complementary spices enhance flavor.
Preservatives ensure long shelf life. Salt balances heat and taste. Vinegar adds tangy preservation.
Herbs elevate aroma profiles.
Controlled temps prevent spoilage.
UV kills surface bacteria.
Tracking from prep to pack.
The prep batch is ready. Check the logs on the board.
Understood. Activating the mixers now.
Seamless shifts keep production rolling.
Ready for mixing perfection.
Ice flash cools for texture. Ice flash cools for texture. Seeds removed for milder products. Prep culminates in base puree. Preparation complete. Mixing begins. Huge mixers blend for uniformity. High torque ensures even consistency. Spices integrate for signature heat.
Ratios perfected in real time.
Mixed puree flows to processing.
Homogenization eliminates lumps. Continuous tasting refines blend. Secondary blends layer complexity. Viscosity dialed for product specs. pH tuned for preservation. Degassing ensures purity. Tex orchestrate Pervance. Pumps deliver under pressure. Color scanners maintain appeal. Vibrant flow approved. Thickeners. Perfect mouthfeel. Drums ensure total uniformity. Filters remove any particles. Mixing yields premium base. Seamless handoff to core production. Shear refines to velvet. Controlled heat develops depth. Skimming clarifies the mix. Digital precision every batch. Oils boost richness. Agitators prevent settling. Mid-process quality checks. Pressure optimizes extraction. Processing preps for transformation. Pasteurization eliminates pathogens safely. Robots handle delicate heat phases. Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Heat transforms raw puree to sauce base. Steam infuses deep flavors. Evaporation concentrates intense heat. Experienced hands verify transformation. UV locks in fresh taste. Shear tests. Perfect spreadability. Rapid cool set structure. Aromas. Preserved in process. Final pH for stability. Scanners. Scanners confirm safety. Texture finalized here.
Connection ready for fill lines.
Holding matures flavors. Peak heat unlocks potential. Automated sampling precision. Foam settles to silk. Gradient cooling even. Transformation yields gold. Constant monitoring. Vapors recaptured efficiently. Emulsion integrity tested. Robotic finesse finishes. Traceability from transform. External cool accelerates. Flow test validates. Transformed sauce awaits packaging. Core production complete. High-speed filling packs precision. Airtight seals lock freshness. Labels brand each product. Automated packing speeds output. Efficient symphony of packaging. Shrink wrap protects transit. Pallets ready for distribution. Trace codes ensure safety. Torque tests seal integrity. Vacuum confirms no leaks. Tamper bans for consumer trust. Multi-heads boost efficiency. Experienced hands verify transformation. UV locks in fresh taste. Rapid cool sets structure. Scanners confirm safety. Texture finalized here. Ready for fill lines. Transformation yields gold. Constant monitoring. Traceability from transform. External cool accelerates. Human nose. Final arbiter. Transform sauce awaits packaging. Core production complete. High-speed filling packs precision. Labels brand each product. Efficient symphony of packaging. Automated packing speeds output. Shrink wrap protects transit. Pallets ready for distribution. Trace codes ensure safety. Torque tests seal integrity. Tamper bans for consumer trust. Auto boxing streamlines. Lasers ensure flawless presentation. Spiral wrap secures loads. Weights checked for fullness. Cartons protect retail ready. Cartons protect retail ready. QR for supply chain. Zero defects policy. Overcaps add protection. Bulk for industry clients. Packaging polished perfect. Ready for final approval. Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Meticulous checks guarantee excellence. Trucks dispatch nationwide. From factory to your table. Leak tests seal perfection. Pallets confirm flavor peak.
Excellent depth. Agreed. Thumbs up.
X-rays detect anomalies. Labels laser verified.
Scanning manifest for outbound load. Scan confirmed, load matches order. Manifest accuracy outbound.
Drop tests mimic shipping. Intact packaging passes. Shelf life validated. Weights outbound precise. Tamper evident seals. Surface swabs sterile. Barcodes track globally.
Scanning left stack.
Center is clear.
Right stack complete.
Inventory updates in real time. Temp logs ensure cold chain.
Final sign-off releases. Batch ships.
Strategic storage ready.
Dispatch to all units. Confirm departure from Green Chili Factory.
GPS ensures timely delivery.
Copy. Truck 101. Proceed to Market A. On schedule.
Fleet is en route to markets. Eco-friendly distribution. Archives for recall ready. Docks dispatch millions. Optimized loads minimize trips. Drivers take to roads. Products journey to stores. Zero waste commitment. Days production shipped. Digital certs for partners. Secure exit to world.
Gate clear. Proceed.
$1 million chilies shipped. And that's how $1 million green chili products are made. From start to finish.